Hello everyone, this is Lucy, and in this video I will show you how to fix Windows security blank in Windows 11. So first you need to go to search and type Windows security, and here you need to click on app settings. So after that, you'll be taken to the settings. Here, you need to scroll down till you find reset. You just kind of click on this reset button and click on it again. So after you have reset your security, you're gonna try seeing if the problem has been solved. If it hasn't, then try this method. What you want to do is go to search again and type regedit. After you find the registry editor, click on it. Click on yes, and you'll be taken to this page. So here what you want to do is just copy this path. So I will be providing you this path in the description below. Do check it out. After you enter the path, at the right side of the registry editor, you will see start. Just double click on it and a new window will pop up. Here you need to set the value data to 3 and click on OK. So after that, check if your problem has been fixed. If it still hasn't been fixed, then try the last method where you have to right click on start and go to terminal admin. So here you need to click on yes. After that, you need to paste one code which is available in the description below. Do check it out. Enter this code in this window and your problem should be fixed. And these are all the methods you need to follow in order to fix your Windows security blank problem. Thank you guys for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like for more.